Dude, I just had it. Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. I was just about to start working on some projects. Hey, maybe you want to help me out? Well, first things first, let me just welcome you to another episode of Where's My Tape Measure? So we left off last time, gluing the back on the carcass here. What a time that was, let me tell you. But I think now we need to make some shelves for it. And since this isn't fine woodworking, I'm going to cut some pieces out, and then we're going to glue and pocket hole screw them together. And I think that'll work just fine. So come on, let's get to work. So I cut out my pieces over there at the radial arm saw, but the only footage I can get was of my back and my butt, which isn't that bad of a thing to look at, let me tell you. But I'm going to do a little finish work here at the table saw, get a lot more action. I'm going to go turn on the Delta blower there and get to work on the old Dayton table saw. 10-incher, baby. Look what I found, the old tape measure. So I gotta make these L shapes, so let's see. Measure this way, it's 30 3/8. So I also wanted to go 30 3/8 this way too. But this piece is 11 3/4. We're gonna say 18 9/16 plus a 32nd. So let's cut out 5 more pieces right there. 18 9/16 plus 1 32nd. Alright. Ooh, dangerous. So now it's time for pocket holes. I'm going to put 6 pocket holes on each of the short pieces. You got the old Craig. K1000 220, I think that's what it's called, and I'm just going to put 6 in there. It doesn't have to be precise or anything, and also because I don't know where my tape measure is right now, so I'm just going to wing it. Here we go. We got 5 longs and 5 shorts. We're going to put on some glue and we're going to put in the pocket hole screws and put them together. Don't forget to get the wet rag. Remember what I told you last time. You want to wipe up the glue. So I'm going to line them up. First I'm going to put some glue on. Squirt it on there. Even it out. I don't care. And I'm going to line it up. I got my super duper Craig clamp right on the seam there. Not tight enough. That's what she said. Bam! For all you pocket hole purists, I'm using my impact driver. I don't care what you say. It's my video, my garage. If you don't like it, get the hell out. Because I'm that type of guy. Go blow up your own spot. So here we go. Done. Take off super clamp here. I'll give him a little wipe. And then I'm going to wipe all this glue off. Pine plywood, it's going to raise that grain. we'll take care of it when we do sanding. On this side too. Luckily, I'm not a perfectionist. I just like to get the job done. So here's one. It's kind of hard to tell, but I have this spine in the corner of the bookcase. So on each shelf, I'm going to have to cut out a little notch there so it'll fit in nice and snug. Perfect fit. Now to do 4 more. All right, my friends, this is where we're gonna have to leave each other. Did a lot of good work today. Got the shelves put together. We still need to put the end pieces on, but we did get the backs notched out. They're gonna fit nice and snug in there. We'll save the rest for another day. It's late. I gotta make just a few more measurements, a few more cuts, and then I'm out of here. But as usual, where's my tape measure? God damn it.